welcome to Eddie's YouTube channel. I welcome to my special show, the Cooking Time Show. So, let's start the channel. First, like our channel, subscribe us if you are new to our channel, and don't forget to comment us below if you have any queries. So today we'll make Mumbai Vada Pav. So the twist is we will change potato into a Maggi. So recipe is called as Maggi Vada Pav. Let's check the recipe. So Bun Bread, Maggi, ketchup, curry leaf, batter of gram flour, green chili, ginger, onion, garlic. Heat the water, add Maggi, crush the Maggi, keep the masala aside. At few minutes boiling, add masala in it. Add masala. Mix it. Start mixing. Start mixing. Rest it till the water gets soaked up. After soak up, take a Kadai, add oil, add onion, add garlic, start sauteing till the oil gets soaked up. Add ginger, add chili, mix it. After it gets brown, onion gets brown, start adding curry leaf and mustard seed. Mustard is added. Now it's time to add curry leaf. Add red chilli powder, salt to taste, start mixing ingredients. If you have more curry leaf, you may add little. It is just for fragrance. So you get the flavor of a curry leaf in it. Start mixing. Add your Maggi. Add the Maggi and start mixing both together till it get red. Make the ball of the Maggi. Dip it in the batter of gram flour. Set it in the oil and add the low flame. Add another ball. We are adding 2 balls. Now fry in all sides. Now the recipe is ready. It's called Maggi Vada Pav. Serve with ketchup.